HealthBreak is sponsored by CHI Memorial.
Aortic stenosis is a narrowing of a valve in the heart. Though it traditionally required an open heart surgery with a large incision, Dr. Aaron Soufer says CHI Memorial now offers a minimally invasive treatment called transaortic valve replacement, or TAVR.
The transcatheter portion means that through a catheter that's inserted into the major arteries of the body, we're able to deliver a valve to the aortic valve and deploy that without having to open up the chest. It's really revolutionized the field, and CHI Memorial and the Chattanooga Heart Institute very early on adopted the procedure and have been doing it steadily at a high volume and have really excelled in placing TAVRs.
To learn more, visit ChattanoogaHeart.com.